Tesla year-end delivery event at Fremont factory. Tesla never really gets a breather at the end of the year. The electric vehicle maker tends to give itself very ambitious targets, which basically means that at the final stretch of the year, the entire company initiates a massive end-of-quarter vehicle delivery push. Fortunately, Tesla also knows how to have some fun, as hinted at in videos from the Fremont factory over the weekend. As shared by Tesla Senior Project Manager Ryan Torres, the electric vehicle maker has set up some beats at the Fremont factory's year-end delivery event. Over the last days of December, those visiting the area could enjoy beats from Tesla's resident DJ, Oracle alumni Alex Mandel, who is also known as DJ Ceviche. And in true Tesla fashion, DJ Ceviche set up his equipment on the bed of a Cybertruck. Much to the delight of the EV community, all of Mandel's DJ equipment was powered by the all-electric pickup truck. Posts on LinkedIn showed that the Tesla Senior Project Manager's DJ set was still ongoing as employees prepared to welcome the new year at the Fremont factory. DJ Ceviche, aka Alex J. Mandel, is live at the Tesla factory year-end delivery event in Fremont on December 30th to 31. The Cybertruck is quite special among Tesla's vehicles, partly due to its unique features. One of these is PowerShare, a vehicle-to-load charging system that allows the all-electric pickup truck to power camping equipment, power tools, or even a home during a power outage. The Cybertruck is capable of providing 11.5 kilowatts of power, which is more than the 9.6 kilowatts provided by the Ford F-150 Lightning. The Cybertruck is also equipped with a 240-volt outlet in its bed that allows the vehicle to charge other EVs. Videos of the feature in action shared during the Cybertruck's first delivery event depicted the all-electric pickup truck charging a Ford F-150 Lightning. Source: reposted and summarized from Simon Alvarez at Teslarati.